Tubers, what's up? If you want to still have your hair in your late 40s, this is for you. Hit it! What's up, Tubers? It's your boy Uncle G. Now this video is for anybody who wants to still have their hair in their late 40s. Hey, Uncle G, I got some miles on it. You look at these grays, I'm in my late 40s. Yes, I'm 49 years old. Yeah, next year I'm going to be the big 5-0. But you know what? I still have a full head of hair. Take a look all the way around. You see it. You see it. Now I might have some grays, but the hair's still there. It's still curly. My hairline is still intact. It's a lot of dudes my age that don't have that. A lot of them looking like Michael Jordan. Not by choice, but just because they didn't do the proper things to take care of their hair. And when you're in your late 40s and you still have your hair, women love it because they love to rub their hands through it. They love those curls. If you're a dude in your 20s and 30s and you want to still have your luxurious hair in your 40s, I'm about to tell you what to do. I've been doing the same thing ever since I was around 12 years old. I've always cared about my hair. So at a young age, I decided to take care of my hair. So I'm gonna let y'all know the secrets of what I did. Number one, condition your hair. Ever since I was 12 years old, I've always put hair grease, and then later on, around the age of 19 or 20, and then I switched over to a leave-in conditioner. Now, if you old school like me, you remember the hair grease. I'm talking about we had bottles of hair grease. It didn't even have the name on it. It just said hair food. It was like a yellow grease. And if you my age, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It was a yellow or blue grease. You would get that thing, you put it on your head. It was kind of like Vaseline. That's why we were slipping and sliding everywhere. Anywhere you go, if your head touches, you was just sliding off. Then later on in life, around 19 or 20, then I switched over to a leave-in conditioner. And what the conditioner does, it has ingredients that help your hair grow, shine, maintain your hair. It helps it softer. It's ingredients in there that help maintain the fullness of your hair. And what I would do is I condition my hair 2 or 3 times a week. I've been doing this consistently since I was 12 years old, and it's paying off because my hair is still luxurious. It's all there. I can rub my finger through my head and it's still there. Now the second thing I've always done is wash my hair. Now, a lot of people make the mistake and wash their hair every single day. That's a big no. Your hair has natural oils in it. So when you wash your hair every day, you're stripping your hair of the natural oils. You're actually doing more damage to your hair than good. So for me, I would wash my hair 2 times a week. By washing your hair, first of all, it doesn't stink. And another thing that washing your hair does is it moisturizes your hair so you won't have dandruff, and it also strengthens your hair. So by washing your hair consistently, you can later on have your hair when you're in your late 40s like me. Some of you guys watching this right now, you wash your hair like once every 2 weeks or once every 3 weeks. Some of y'all even once a month, and you wonder why you're single. You're single because your hair smells like ass. No woman wants you with your hair smelling like ass. They call you ass hair behind your back. So you gotta wash your hair to help it look healthy, to maintain it. So you can have like nice precious curls so it can stay soft. It's not that hard. Wash your damn hair. Number 3, I oil my scalp. And it's usually when I use a conditioner. I oil my scalp twice a week. And the oils that I use always have vitamin E in them because vitamin E helps your hair grow. And it also repairs your hair from being damaged, and it also helps with the breakage so your hair won't fall out. So vitamin E is a very important ingredient that you want to have in your hair oil. I've been doing these 3 things ever since, it's my 12th time saying it probably, since I was 12 years old. I can't stress the importance of it. Condition, wash, and oil your hair. This will help you. So when you're in your late 40s, because I'd rather go gray than bald. I'm going gray right now. I still look fly for my age. That's what, at least I think so. At least that's what the ladies tell me. And one of the reasons why I created my own men's hair grooming products, because my job is, I want to help guys out. I want to bring out the best in you. I've been doing this since I was 12 years old. I've been cutting hair for 37 years now. I have the products. I have a leave-in conditioner, I have shampoo, conditioner, and I have hair oil. The better you feel about your hair and the better you feel about your look, the more ladies that you get, the more people you attract to you, and the more money that you get. If you don't subscribe, make sure you subscribe. If you want to see my products, they're right here, right in the product section. For me, my hair, 40 is the new 30, because it's all in there. Subscribe. Ciao!